Hello guys, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to be taking a really quick look at the Sony TX-650. I picked up one of these after seeing it on a Facebook group, a wedding videographers Facebook group, and they were raving about the quality of it, so I just had to try it. Now, the first thing that struck me is just how small this is. It's kind of like twice the size of a USB pen or just a regular pen, so you could stick it anywhere. I'm not surprised that wedding videographers use them. We will definitely be using these in our weddings. It would slip really nicely into the top pocket of a suit jacket or clip to a microphone or things like that for speeches. It just seems great. So you might have noticed the little clip that's on the top of my t-shirt. That's actually another Sony TX-650. We're going to cut to the camera audio now. We're using the Sony a60 300. So this is the inbuilt audio recording of the camera, and then we're going to swap back to the audio recording of the TX-650. So the recorder has actually got a 16GB inbuilt memory, which is really handy if you forget memory cards quite often, or if you just don't want to lug them around with you. And that will last you quite a long time, I would think. So we use a 32GB card in our Zoom H1, and we clear that out probably once every 3 or 4 months. So a 16GB memory seems great, and you don't have to carry around memory cards with you. Also, the battery is claimed to be 15 hours, which is just insane. You could use this all day long. Well, you could use it 2 days in a row and you wouldn't have any problems at all, but I would probably charge it in between shoots. So we're just going to take a little look at the device itself. On the left hand side you've got the record and stop button. These buttons where you've got the play, the stop, the skip tracks, that's actually how you navigate through the menu system. You've got your option, your home and your volume. On this side you've got your power, and then you've got your hold, so that if you did put it in a groom's pocket, he wouldn't be able to accidentally press that record button and stop your recording. On the back you've just got that really nice clip. On the bottom you've just got this micro USB port, which is covered by this flap. It does come with a micro USB cable and headphones, and the headphones are for the top socket. I believe it's just a one earpiece headphone setup, and then you've got your 2 microphones on the top. So I've only had these recorders for a couple of hours, but I've been testing them this morning and the audio quality does seem really good. Hopefully the audio quality coming from the one on my t-shirt is performing well. Just the ability to go and film some talking heads or film a wedding and clip this tiny little thing on, and that's all your audio. And you could leave this running all day long and not have to worry about it. That's a godsend to me. I really hope you like the video, guys. It's only a quick one today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down, and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks a lot.